In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to record the payment so your vendor balances and accounts stay accurate. First, sign in and open the Pay Bills window. From the top left, click New, then look under Vendors and choose Pay Bills. This takes you to a list of your outstanding vendor bills. Think of this screen as your control center for settling what you owe. It shows which bills are due, how much is outstanding, and lets you record payments in one place. Next, choose the bank account you're paying from. Make sure you select the correct checking or cash account so your balances reflect reality. Picking the wrong account won't stop you from recording the payment, but it will throw off your books and make reconciliation harder later. Now select the bills you want to pay. Check the box beside each bill you intend to settle today. As you select them, you'll see the totals update. Take a moment to confirm these match your plan and available cash. If you're paying multiple bills at once, this is a great way to process them efficiently while keeping a clear record. Enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day the funds will actually leave your bank. Accurate dates keep your aging and cash flow reports meaningful. Choose the payment method that matches how you're moving the money, such as check, cash, or ACH. This choice determines how QuickBooks records the transaction and whether you'll be prompted to print a check. There's also an optional reference number field. Use it for a check number or a bank confirmation code to strengthen your audit trail and make future lookups easier. When everything looks good, save your work. Click Save and Close to record the payment, or choose Save and Print if you're printing a check right now. If you're printing, confirm your check stock is loaded correctly and your printer settings match your check layout to avoid reprints. After saving, the bill's status updates to Paid. QuickBooks reduces accounts payable and the selected bank account accordingly, and you'll see the bill payment listed in the vendor's transactions. That's your confirmation that the payment has been properly recorded. And that's it. Open Pay Bills, choose the right bank account, select the bills, add the date, method, and any reference, then save. Follow these steps each time, and your vendor records and